Hey guys, so this is a really quick video on how you can bypass the parental controls. So the first thing, go to system, and there you're gonna have the network and internet. Then you're gonna have advanced network settings, and then you're gonna have network reset, and you want to click reset now. Or another thing that you can try to do is that where you're gonna go to task manager, and you are going to be here. Then you're gonna go to services, and there you're gonna have for VPC Mon SIG. So this is what you want to look for. And you see like parental controls. You're gonna click here, open services. There you're gonna have parental controls. Open it. And you want to have startup type disabled. And when you're gonna have startup type disabled, you want to apply, and you got it. So that's pretty much it, how you're gonna do it and how you can turn off the parental controls. So have a great day and goodbye.